Brisbane, Australia. I hope you're all well. The reason for me going live now is that I'm actually recording myself how I'm going live in Facebook groups or pages as well, because I'm doing this for the online course, for the business side of things. So if you want to know a little bit about it, you might as well stick around. But all in all, it's just going to be a recording of me recording myself and then also sharing how I work it into my Facebook groups and Facebook pages, things like that. Going Facebook, doing Facebook Live will actually grow your audience significantly. And now you can see here that there's one person watching with this little eye, and next to it you can see that you're live on the red little button. And then when people start to comment, you can also ask them to comment. Hello, whoever is watching. Leave me a comment down below and tell me where you're from and say hi, drop me a line quickly, and that way you can tell people, they leave a comment, and that's how you start engaging with them as well. So let's just put this camera down, and I'm now going to go into my Facebook page, and I'm actually going to share this video. It should be up here now. Not quite. Okay, let me refresh the screen. So guys, let me know down below who you are and where you're watching from, and I will tell you a little bit about how you can utilize Facebook Live for your business and grow your list of clients, because having this opportunity by Facebook is amazing. I mean, we started out with Periscope and things like that, but really with Periscope we could only reach an audience that we couldn't specify, but now we can run our Facebook Live videos on pages that we have, business pages, and in groups, which is amazing. And this is how I have been growing my business, through being on the Lash Tribe page or group. Okay, now you can see here, I'm going to bring the iPad a bit closer, guys. Sorry, I'm just going to come out of the picture. Alright. Now you can see that I'm live here now. Facebook Live is always lagging a few seconds. I think it's about 10-20 seconds. So if you say something now, people won't actually be able to see it until like in 10 or 20 seconds. So here we have now our share button. So this is me going live on my page, and then now you're going to click the share, and you need to be on a computer for this. It does not work while you're on your phone. And then you can now share it on either another page that you manage, or you can just share it in a group, which is what I'm doing now. And then you have to type in the group. There we are. I'm going to say, come say hi. I am educating about using Facebook Live. Okay, awesome. Now I'm posting that. And now let's have a look in the Lash Tribe group. This should now come up in the Lash Tribe group as well. Now, as I said earlier, if you post a Facebook Live video on a page, you will actually get less engagement than you would in a group. This has only just started, and people only just start to realize that sharing from page to group will eventually grow your audience, because people then share, like, and comment, and it kind of goes outside of your group. However, in the very beginning, it will probably not have as much engagement as it has in a group. So if you have a business page, I would highly recommend to also open up a Facebook group for your customers. I usually call them like a VIP customer group or something like that, and you can even kind of lure them in by offering them maybe a 5% discount next time or something like that. Risa is online now. Risa, can you give me a thumbs up or give me a little heart or something? Always ask your followers for engagement. If you can see me and hear me, and we're going to wait for her. I just wanted to show you how it works. I might have to do this video again and just go live in the Lash Tribe group, so that we have a few more people watching this video. Now I'm just going to wait for Risa. Hopefully she will give me a heart or a thumbs up or say hello, and if not, I'm going to have to go live in the group again. And Lisa has joined us again. Lisa is a very, very, very lovely lash tech as well that I met at the Lash Gala. And Lisa and Risa are here. That rhymes even. And say hello to me, guys. I'm just recording this for my Facebook business course, which is, no, not my Facebook business course, my Lash Tribe business course. which is going to launch on the 1st of December, and this is part of it. Is going to be about how to utilize Facebook Live to grow your list of customers. There we go. Now we have a little heart. See, this is lagging a lot. It's about 30 seconds that I'm in front of everybody, and they are not commenting until like 30 seconds later. So anyway, so let's just have a look if I'm actually now in the Lash Tribe group. All right, let's go into the Lash Tribe group again. Somehow this doesn't work. How is everybody doing today? If you have any questions about Facebook Live while I'm recording this for the online course, please leave me a comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer anything. I've been doing videos, not live videos on Facebook, but I've been doing videos for over 8 years. I have a YouTube channel with, I think we have almost 9,000 people on the YouTube channel now that are following. And I started out doing makeup and hair tutorials, and obviously now it's all about lashes. Okay, Katie. Hi, Katie. Now I want to show you guys what it looks like when someone comments. So Katie has just commented, good, bedtime here in the UK. So the awesome thing is that Facebook Live obviously goes live worldwide at whatever heck the time is, where they are. And you can just talk to them, which is awesome. So people can ask you questions. And now we have 7 people watching. If you're giving a thumbs up, which is awesome. If you have any questions, guys, about Facebook Live and how you can grow your business with it, leave me a comment. I can't believe how much lagging time we have. Now we have all the little thumbs come up, which is really cute. I love it. I actually like Facebook Live a lot more than what was it called? Periscope, because with Periscope you can't really talk to your customers. You talk to anyone in the world, and some really freaky people have commented on stuff of me previously. And Facebook page, you know, you already have your likers, and going live and doing like a business tour, even if you have a brand new page, it's a really good idea to just take your phone and go around and say, here, this is my salon. If you want to book in, you know, I'll leave the link in the comments. Always leave the link in the comments when you go live. Don't put a link at the top because that's a bit spammy. So I would highly recommend to go live about 1 to 3 times a week in the beginning, and then maybe even daily. And the stuff you can talk about is, you know, you can either introduce your staff, you can film a treatment that's been done live, you can explain how things are done, you can talk about eyelash extension health, you can talk about your salon, you can talk about your area and how you built your salon up, and anything really. There's so much to talk about, and Facebook Live is really there for people to get to know you, build that know, like, and trust factor with your audience, engage with them, and they're much more likely to book in with you and visit your salon if you do that. Okay, so now I still haven't gone. I know, there I am now. You can see now I am live here in my Lash Tribe group as well. And Rosamine is actually watching there. Hi, Rosamine. How are you? Now I'll show you this quickly, guys. Now there, I'm just looking at myself, and this is in the group now, guys. So you can see it's totally lagging. Like Facebook Live today is lagging heaps. So sometimes you have to wait for a good 30 seconds for people to actually engage with you and answer you. Anyway, okay, Katie now asks, okay, let me just show this to the camera again. Katie asks, can you do Facebook Live on a page or just a profile account? Katie, if you have a page, you can go live on your page and share it into your group or into your profile account. And you can also go live straight on your profile. You don't have to have a page or a group. You can just go live anywhere, anytime, as long as you have a Facebook account. Totally doable anywhere on Facebook now. Facebook has rolled this out a few months ago, and it only started in the US, and then it rolled over to Australia, and only people that had verified accounts, which is called Facebook Mention, they were able to go live. And Facebook Mention and verified accounts is more for like celebrities and stars, like, I don't know, the President of the United States, for example, or Lady Gaga, people like that. They had Facebook Live before normal people like myself had it. But now anyone and everyone all over the world can go live with Facebook Live, which is really, really awesome because you can engage with people, you can ask them, you can really get to know your customers. And I mean, that's what I've been doing with you guys. You ask me questions and I answer you. It's much more personable. You build up more of a trust with your audience and you introduce your services. You can show your salon. It's really, really good. I know it is extremely scary. I remember actually the first time I went live, I can't remember where I went live. I think I was just outside. I think I was at the Eka. Whoever lives in Australia or Brisbane, they will know what the Eka is. It's like a big fest with like lots of food stalls and lots of rides and things like that. And I think I went live there for the first time and I was so scared. My heart was racing and I was like, oh, I don't know what to talk about. So it's always good to have a little bit of a plan, obviously, when you do this for your business, so you didn't go and just go, hello. Okay, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. Anyway, so this is Facebook Live, so I've just shown you now. We've got 6 people watching. Now I want to show you some other little things you can do with Facebook. Now, excuse me for holding this here, but I'm recording with my iPad. Now, one thing, let me get this out of the way. One other thing that's really cool, or 2 other things. Hi, Felicia. See, when new people are coming on, you always need to say hello. Stop what you're doing and say hello and how they are and where they're from. Now, we are going to draw. Now, this is a little tool here at the top. And then you have different filters as well. So you can make yourself all different colors if you want. Hi, Beth. How are you going? Nice. Now I look like the Hulk. Probably not the best filter to have, but it's just something that they have added recently and it's really cute. Like you can draw little hearts on your screen, and I actually use this on Thursdays to do my lash reviews, live lash review, triple L's. And I can just draw on the lash line and draw whatever sort of set I would be doing instead, or like let's say I would probably go different length here and I can write the numbers in, and that way it's easy to see for people. So this is one thing you can do with it as well. You can clear it here, you can change the color, clear again, and yeah, so drawing you can do and doing your filters as well. So that's really cute. Okay, I think this is about as much as I can tell you now about Facebook Live. This is for my online course. You can read up about it at Lash Tribe. Oh, I can't even spell. Hang on. Lash Tribe.com.au. So you can then go in and even leave your website, or you leave a landing page, or if you have a giveaway you write the web address in there so people can actually see what website you mean. Or you can then go in and let me clear this, and I actually to show you as well here. Now you can see how this has come here, but you can also ask your fans if there's enough people online to please do me the favor and type in my web address for me if you're only on one device. In this case, I'm on 2, so I'm just going to do it myself. So if you want to read up more about my online course, this is where you can put it in. Now, what I'm filming right now, in case you are just joining us now, I have been filming this little with myself, my laptop, and my iPad to record myself. Let me show you. This is recording as well. For my course, it's going to be about a 40-50 minute video on talking about utilizing Facebook Live for your business and how to grow your customer list. Has heaps of different points in there on branding yourself and how to start to actually do your Facebook Live videos, how everything works technically and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, I want to thank you all for being my guinea pigs for this video, which is going to be in the online course. So whoever has joined or will join me, you will maybe see yourself in this video. Awesome. Now we'll show you all how to sign off. So Once you have done that, obviously always ask if people have any more questions. So let me go in here. You click the little, what is it, not square, the little cross, and then you're out. Now no one has any more questions, and then you can basically just finish up your conversation. So okay, I can see there's no more questions, so I'm just going to sign off for today. Thank you again so much for joining me. Probably the wrong time of the day to do this, but I hope I will see you soon. Don't forget, every Thursday at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, I am going live in the Facebook group, not on the page. However, I think I may share it on the page as well, maybe with a second device, and I can answer any questions that you have from whatever topic you want to pick. And I also do my live lash reviews. If you want to add any of the lashes that you want me to have a look at that you have done and you want for me to critique them, please go up the very top in the Lash Tribe group and click the pinned post and add your photo in there. Felicia Marie says, thanks, Julia. You're very welcome, Felicia. I will see you guys very, very soon. Take care. Bye. And then you will click the finish button, and that finishes up your